Hello friends, welcome to my channel Preeti. In this video, I am going to review Pastels Learning Solutions. Pastels is a pre-nursery school located in Dilshad Garden, New Delhi. Currently, they are providing online classes to toddlers. And she is my lovely daughter, Paulini. Hello. I got my daughter enrolled with them for pre-nursery during the COVID situation. They have done an outstanding job. I like to say thank you to Pragya ma'am and Ankita ma'am for the excellent job they are doing. My daughter loves to attend the innovative classes that spark her curiosity to learn more. They also conduct extracurricular activities like yoga, dancing, painting, and provide the necessary material for all the creative activities. Both teachers are fantastic and doing their job beautifully. They are very dedicated towards their job and are doing a highly commendable job. They both are very dedicated towards their work and are doing a highly commendable job. And I would like to say thank you to both of them and for their thankless job. They pay special attention to all the students and they are very responsible. Pastels not only provide quality education but also encourage children to take part in other extracurricular activities. Apart from academics, they emphasize building moral values, ethics, and personal development of every child. My kid has learned a lot through these classes and has shown a significant academical improvement as well. My experience with Pastel Learning Solution has been wonderful. I feel my daughter is more confident. Daughter is more confident and is aptly prepared for. Again, I'm going to thank you, Pragya ma'am and Ankita ma'am, for their beautiful jobs. And I would specially recommend Pastel's Learning Solution to others also. Here are a few testimonials from other parents too.
You, Pragya ma'am and Ankita ma'am, for putting so much effort in making them learn new things, making each session very interactive. Thank you so much and appreciate all your efforts. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Jyoti Bansal and he is my son Kyank Bansal. I am CA and CS by profession. Today I am going to review about Paces Learning Solutions. The teachers are very good. They they are teaching in a very innovative and creative way. My kid is learning in a very funny way. He is enjoying his all the classes and he is learning different things by his own. And the materials sent by them are very good and very innovative. They are sending the material on each occasion by which the kids are learning different cultures and they get to know about the regions and the cultures. And even in virtual classes, kids are enjoying every festival they have celebrated. I recommend to all the people to go with this school for their kids. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Rita Verma.
Okay.
Daughter.
Daughter. Very good. Hi everyone. I am Ankita and she is my 3 years old
Daughter.
3 years old daughter, Krisha Verma, and she is a student of Pastels Learning Solutions since last 1 year approximately. 1 year approximately, and she is doing pre-nursery from that school. And I am highly delighted to be a part of Pastels Learning Solutions. And first of all, I just want to thank Pragya ma'am and Ankita ma'am. Whatever they are doing for the kids is commendable and applaudable. It is very difficult to teach such young kids through online medium, but since she is being a part of Pastels Learning Solutions, I can see a positive change in her attitude, in her behavior, and now she's her grasping power is increasing day by day. And other than academics, they are working on extracurricular activities also. They are doing many extracurricular activities with the kids, and kids are also enjoying it. And other than that, they are also stimulating religious spirit among the students by celebrating all the festivals related to all the different religions through online. And now kids know what are the different festivals, how do we celebrate. And it this is very commendable job, I must say. And Ankita ma'am and Pragya ma'am, they are putting their 100% to make children understand, to make children learn whatever they are teaching. And one major thing is that they are working on each and every point. Like they are working on fine motor skill, they worked on fine motor skills development of the students. And they are working on sensory motor skills. So they are touching, and they are working on each and every area which is required at this young age. So I'm really thankful, I'm highly obliged, and I'm very lucky to be a part of Pastels Learning Solutions. And Krisha loves her teachers very much. So I just want to thank from bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Pragya ma'am, and thank you, Akita ma'am. I love you.
Okay. Hello to all the teachers of Pesters Learning Solution. I just want to drop a little note to you that I appreciate you a lot. I know it's very difficult to monitor a toddler or teaching a toddler, and it sometimes seems like a thankless job. But I really appreciate you for that, because sometimes even I also feel the same. I struggle a lot with, I struggle a lot with this toddler. Counseling him is very difficult for me, but you are fantastic, right? In this chaos of pandemic, wherein the online, the physical schooling was moved to online classes, it was very difficult for the parents of the first time, but you managed it very well. And it was really scary for us, and we were very much worried about our child's future. In fact, some of the parents thought that the education system will be kept on hold, but you did a fantastic job on that note. You did a fantastic job. And and you gave us a confidence that the education system, the learning is not merely depend on the classroom and the boards. It's actually depends on the child and teacher's relationship, right? And Daksh is always very happy. We feel very happy when you give a positive environment, right? He feels very happy, right? You're very happy, right? Yeah. So I again want to thanks especially Ankita ma'am and Pragya ma'am for providing a very good future to my child. Okay, thank you. Hats off to you. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.